Guys, I request you all to turn on your cameras, make it fast.
Good evening, sir.
Chalo, let's get started. So, till what we have done, guys? Just a minute.
Properties of determinants.
What we have learned till what we have learned, guys? Properties of
Determinants.
okay. Properties of determinants. So guys, so today we are going to solve a couple of questions. We'll finish the concept as well as couple of questions also we'll solve today. Alright guys. So first let us go with our concept till what we have discussed. Properties of determinants. Guys, look at this here once again. How many of you have revised your class notes? What are the properties of determinants we have learned? Tell me. What are the properties of determinants we have learned? Any one of you, please?
Sir, the number of elements in the nth order is nothing but n power n square. Then mod of AB is nothing but mod A, mod B.
Okay.
Sir, delta is called delta transpose. And then all zero property.
Okay.
Determinant of Q
Over column. If a row or column is zero.
Now tell me what is the determinant of this? One second. What's the determinant of this?
1.
What is the determinant of this?
6.
6. Why? It is a diagonal matrix. The determinant of diagonal matrix is always multiplication of diagonal elements. Isn't it, beta? Isn't it? Arey yaar, show the Joes. How is the
Yes, sir.
Joes? How is the Joes? How is the Joes, भाई?
Hi, sir.
हाई होना चाहिए, कभी भी चार्ज हमारा चार्ज फुल होना चाहिए, कभी भी चार्ज नहीं डाउन होना चाहिए, ठीक है। हाँ देखो हम लोग अभी शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है। चलो अब नेक्स्ट ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट। ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट, व्हाट इज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट? ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट क्या होता है? जो भी ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिसेस जो भी होता है वो भी ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट होता है। जो भी होता है ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, द सेम थिंग इट फॉलोज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट। ऑलराइट, व्हाटएवर वी हैव लर्नड इन मैट्रिसेस, सेम थिंग इट फॉलोज डिटरमिनेंट। ऑलराइट, सो लुक एट दिस। कोई ना देखो, ये कोई है, इसका डिटरमिनेंट क्या हो जाएगा? सो ऐसा है तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, बस अंडरस्टैंड। स्लीप इज इक्वल टू, जो भी सो रहा है उसको उठाना है बस। और यार children, I lost the power. I had to connect with the mobile hotspot. Okay, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes, look at this. जो ऐसा है उसको ऐसा बना देना ट्रांसपोज में, समझ रहे हैं? रोज becomes into columns, column becomes into transpose, right? Rows become into columns, column becomes rows. Very simple. Next, now we'll talk about symmetric. Symmetric. Symmetric determinant and skew symmetric determinant both will be same. All right, symmetric determinant as well as skewed symmetric determinant is going to be always same. Look at this now. Look at this. First suppose देखो, अगर D is equal D transpose होता है तो सिमेट्रिक होता है, अगर D transpose is equal to माइनस D होता है वो होता है स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक। ऑलराइट, समझ रहे हैं? तो ये क्या होता है देखो, इसका होता है ए आई जे बराबर किसके बराबर होना चाहिए? ए जे आई के बराबर। ऑलराइट, इधर क्या होना चाहिए? ए आई जे किसके बराबर होना चाहिए? माइनस ए आई जे के बराबर। ठीक है, आ रहा है समझिए, बस यही होता है हमारा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक एंड सिमेट्रिक डिटरमिनेंट, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक डिटरमिनेंट। वेरी सिंपल। चलो, शैल वी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट, हाउ डू वी मेक? Next we'll make it out multiplication of determinant. Guys, now today we are going to finish all the theory part tomorrow, and now today itself we are going to solve the questions. So multiplication of determinant, how we are going to make it out? So for making multiplication of determinants, same way as matrices. Look at it, same way as matrix multiplication. All right, same as multiple. What is the condition for matrix multiplication? Yes, Raghav, बताइए. What is the way? What is the basic way of matrix multiplication? What is the condition? Number of rows of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of
So
columns of second
columns
matrix.
of
हाँ. Yes. Number of yes. Everyone turn on your cameras. Musab. Yes. Number of rows of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of columns of second matrix. Then only the matrix multiplication is possible. And what is the order of? What is the resultant matrix order is going to be? What is the order of that resultant matrix?
row of first matrix,
Hmm.
row of first matrix,
नहीं भाई.
and column of second matrix.
Row of first matrix. First row of first matrix supposed to be equal to first row, first column of first matrix. That is what my. That's supposed to be equal. Look at this, guys. If I have like this. A matrix, let us say 2 by 3. B matrix is something called 3 by 3. ठीक है, ये दोनों बराबर होना चाहिए. Number of columns of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of rows. Is it clear? What is the order of matrix is going to be? What is the order?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. ये होता है हमारा order of resultant matrix 2 by 3. ये दोनों बराबर है. Number of columns of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Number of columns of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of columns of second matrix. Number of rows of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of columns of second matrix is going to be my order. ये होता है. इसमें भी same multiplication matrix में जो भी करता है the same way as the matrix multiplication we are going to follow up in determinant as well. Clear? चलो. Look at this next. Next, we are going to talk about now differentiation of determinants. By differentiation, what do you mean by differentiation? Differentiation of determinant. Differentiation of determinants. Look at this first. Suppose, guys, look at this here. First, suppose if I have anything, anything which is any function which is in x variable. Look at this, f1 of x. Let us say this. Any function you take. f2 of x, f3 of x, g1 of x, g2 of x, g3 of x, h1 of x, h2 of x. ऑलराइट, सो देखो ये होता है, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है. सो डेल्टा एक्स, डेल्टा डैश ऑफ एक्स क्या होता है गाइस? इफ y इज इक्वल सम f of x, व्हाट इज माय डिफरेंशिएशन? आई विल बी डिनोटिंग विद y डैश. नो, y डैश x. यस, यही तो होता है डिफरेंशिएशन में. हाँ, सो डेल्टा डैश एक्स क्या होता है? क्या करना है इसमें? डिफरेंशिएट. यू जस्ट डिफरेंशिएट रो वाइज, वन बाय वन और कॉलम वाइज. रो वाइज कीजिए या तो कॉलम वाइज कीजिए. एक एक को कीजिए. इसको कीजिए पहले, इसको कीजिए, इसको 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 इसको. इधर रो वाइज और कॉलम वाइज. यू मे फॉलो इधर रो वाइज और कॉलम वाइज. डिफरेंशिएट इट इंडिविजुअली. ठीक है. अगर देखो मेरे पास कोई एग्जांपल है, मेरे पास कोई एग्जांपल है, देख लो. कोई एग्जांपल है, देखो बेटा, ये हुआ है मेरा एग्जांपल. देखो कोई एक्स ले लो, एक्स क्यूब ले लो, cos एक्स ले लो, इधर कोई ले लो 3 ले लो, इधर ले लो कोई e पावर ऑफ एक्स ले लो. ठीक है. तो इधर मेरा हो गया 5x ले लो कोई. हाँ, इधर कोई मेरा ले लो log x ले लो. ठीक है. ये पावर ऑफ एक्स ले लो, इधर 3x क्यूब ले लो. हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस? टेल मी, हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस?
1 3x square.
First, you may differentiate it row wise or column wise. Look at this. First, you just differentiate row wise. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 3x x cube is 3x square. So 3x square. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. All right. Now 3 is 0. E power of x is 0. Only 5. Log x क्या होता है? 1 by x होता है. A power of x, A power of x into log a होता है. ये 3x cube क्या होता है? 9x square होता है. ये होगा हमारा differentiation of a given function. समझा? ये कोई समझो डेल्टा ऑफ एक्स, ये क्या होता है मेरा डेल्टा ऑफ एक्स. आया समझ? आया समझ? एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स चिल्ड्रन? वेरी सिंपल.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यू कैन जस्ट फॉलो अप इन द
No, sir.
कॉलम वाइज एज वेल. चलो नेक्स्ट हम लोग अभी करने वाला है वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच दे विल आस्क मेनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, विच इज सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन, विच इज द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ योर डिटरमिनेंट्स. वो होता है सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस. इसमें होता है बड़ा बड़ा क्वेश्चन आता है इससे. You will be getting such a lot of good questions, such a lot of, you know, such a lot of questions from this topic. This is a chapter where you can get many questions in your JEE. All right, ये इसको क्या करना है आपको, थोड़ा चिपका लो कहाँ तो भी, दीवार पे, हाँ कहाँ तो भी लिखवा लो इसको, इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है। देखो नहीं तो यहाँ इसको पूरा राक्षस का क्या बोलता है ऐसा कोई डायग्राम डाल दो, ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक हो, इसको कोई ऐसा कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट कोई हाईलाइट करके रख लो इसको, इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। वो हम लोग जस्ट लेट अस हैव अ लुक इनटू दैट, let us have a look into that how important this topic is, how important this topic is. Look at this. First, suppose system of linear equation, you might have heard that ax is equal to b, ax is equal to b. So what is a here, what is a here, what is x here, what is b here? क्या होता है, कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स होता है, क्या होता है, ये मैट्रिक्स और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. What is x?
Variable matrix.
Very simple, variable matrix. What is b? What is b? Constant matrix, beta. Constant matrix. Look at this. First, suppose if I have any equations like 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to k, or let us say not k, let us say 1. All right. Let us say now 9x minus 4y plus 6z is equal to 2, and 5x plus 9y minus 3z is equal to 3. So इसको कैसा लिख लीजिए हम लोग, पहले हम लोग फर्स्ट ए मैट्रिक्स, लेट अस राइट ए मैट्रिक्स. व्हाट आर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स? 2 2 9 5 3 minus 4 9 minus 4 6 minus 3. Next x का मतलब ये वेरिएबल, व्हाट आर द वेरिएबल्स वी आर यूजिंग हियर? x y z. So x y z, and what is constant matrix? 1 2 3. This is how I'll be framing this equation. समझ रहे? कोई, are you getting my point, children? Are you getting my point? This is a basic example which you need to follow up. ठीक है, इसमें you know here we have, so for solving this kind of questions, इसको इसमें थोड़ा सा different conditions देता है. So he'll be giving different type of conditions to solve this question. Now what exactly you need to make out, what exactly you need to make it for this kind of conditions, for इस conditions को हटाने के लिए, for you know removing all these conditions, to break all these conditions and get the answer, what we supposed to make it out? Let us look at that. So for that they have introduced a Cramer's rule. Guys, Cramer's rule, basically Cramer rule होता है, it is not provided in your NCERT textbook, so don't search for it. So Cramer's rule, it used to be in your textbook, but now they have rejected it. So Cramer's rule is very important for, I think you know it is available for Telangana State Board children, if I'm not wrong, isn't it? Yes or no? No, it is not available.
Yes, sir.
It is there. Is it there? Is it there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Cramer's rule is yes. Ax is equal to b.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ax is equal to b. For CBSE children, it's not there. So Cramer's rule basically होता है Ax is equal to b. हमारे को कहाँ भी इक्वेशन मिले Ax is equal to b के फॉर्मेट, वो होता है Cramer's rule. अगर देखो बेटा इधर Cramer's rule देखो, इसमें क्या क्या होता है. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होता है, और अगर डिटर्मिनेंट 0 बराबर होता है. डिटर्मिनेंट का मतलब सर व्हाट इज डी हियर, हम तो अरे यार इसको ऐसा भी लिख लो, आपका कंफर्टेबल है, कोई मैट्रिक्स ले लो. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होता है, अगर डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होता है, ठीक है, अगर डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होता है, अगर 0 होता है, इस पे कंडीशंस होता है. यू विल बी हैविंग टू कंडीशंस, दीज आर दिस वन, व्हेन डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड डिटर्मिनेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. Look at this. Guys, look at this here now. See here. इसमें guys, the first condition is what? At least one, either d1, d2, d3 is supposed to be not equal to 0. Sir, what is d1, d2, d3 here? Anyone of you? Guys, how do you write? You know, see, for writing, what is d1 here from this matrix? Tell me what is d1. So I'll be removing this. In place of this, I'll be writing constant matrix, and the column 2 and column 3 will be as it is. This is my d1. For writing d2, I'll be removing this. I'll be replacing this column 2 with constant matrix, and my column 1 and column 2 will be remain same. For writing delta 3, for writing d3, what I supposed to do? Column 3 I'll be striking out. In place of column 3, I'll be substituting with the constant matrix, and rest of the columns will be remain as it is. यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? एनी डाउट? आ रहा है समझ में? कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे? कोई डाउट? You understand?
No, sir.
No, sir.
True, sir.
हाँ. Similarly, look at this here. So अगर delta बराबर, delta is not equal to 0, then what's supposed to be there? At least d1, d2, d3 should not be equal to 0. If it is the case, then I'll be getting consistent solution. Consistent मतलब unique solution. अगर consistent होता है मेरा solution तो unique solution मिलता है. Unique solution मतलब either you will be getting a non-zero solution. All right, you will be getting a non-zero solution. Now look at this here. So let me somewhat contract this one. All right, हाँ. All right, हाँ. देखो, हाँ. Guys, look at this here. You will be getting many questions from this topic as I told you, right? So look at this. और guys, can you hear my voice? It's gone. Hello. Guys, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. So what I'm saying is, so agar if determinant is not equal to 0, guys, at least one of the determinants are not, if not equal to 0, then I'll be having consistent, which means unique solution. Right? If all determinants are 0, guys, then I'll be getting consistent trivial solution. Consistent trivial मतलब all 0 होना चाहिए. हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा. हम लोग अभी देखेंगे, नोट्स लिख रहे हैं, बस नोट्स लिख लीजिए. अगर देखो बेटा, अगर डिटर्मिनेंट इस 0 के बराबर होता है, इधर दो कंडीशंस होता है which are look at this, which are the delta 1 is equal to delta 2 is equal to delta 3. ये क्या होना चाहिए? अंडा होना चाहिए. अगर ये सब अंडा होगा, if all these are 0, then also I'll be getting what? Consistent. Guys, there is a power cut in PHB. I lost the power in Pragati Nagar. Guys, is there any doubt? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
I think I have very slow network connection, guys. I lost the power. I'm using mobile data. Children, it is disconnecting again and again. Yes, look at this. हाँ guys, if determinant is equal to 0, determinant not equal to 0. अगर determinant 0 होता है तो उसमें क्या होता है? all determinants are 0, then I'll be having infinite solution and consistent and infinite solution. All right, so my equation is going to be consistent, then I'll be having infinite number of solutions. If any one of the di is not equal to 0, inconsistent solution and no solution, I'll be getting no solution. ठीक है. And सबसे ज्यादा ये पूछा जाता है, you'll be asking many times this one, very important, this one. You'll be asking about consistent. If it is a consistent, most of the time it will be unique only. Okay, so look at this. If determinant is not equal to 0, most of the cases you will be getting unique solutions only, guys. Consistent solution only. All right. Guys, look at this. Let me repeat here. Can you hear my voice? Hello. Guys, you turn off your cameras for a while. I think
You turn off your camera.
so. You are turning on your camera, so it is not supporting. So mobile data is not supporting. I don't have Wi-Fi, right? So turn off your camera
Yes, sir.
for a while. For a while. It consumes such a lot of data. Yes. Can you hear me now? Guys, look at this. In Cramer's rule, what I told you, if determinant is not equal to 0 and determinant is equal to 0, when determinant is not equal to 0, at least one of d1, d2, dt is not equal to 0 means my system is consistent and I'll be having unique solution. If all determinants are 0, then I'll be having consistent, I'll be getting trivial solution, which means 0 मिलेगा मुझे. ठीक है. So if determinant is indeterminate is equal to 0 case, if my determinant is equal to 0, guys, most of the time they will be asking the questions from this only. I mean, if determinant is not equal to 0, most of the times you will be asked the question from this. And if determinant is equal to 0, most of the times you will be asked the questions from consistent and infinite. Look at this. Now, if determinant is equal to 0, what is the case here? All determinants are 0. My system is going to be consistent and I'll be having infinite solution. Okay? I'll be having infinite solution. Now, this one is very important. Wherever I'm putting a star mark, that is very important, guys. If any one of the di is not equal to 0, I'll be having no solution, which means the system is going to be inconsistent. Are I much? So let me repeat again. So if I'll be having two cases here. If determinant is not equal to 0, if determinant is equal to 0. If determinant is not equal to 0, guys, can you hear me? Are you here? Yes. So if determinant is not equal to 0, at least one of the determinant 1, determinant 2, determinant 3 is not equal to 0, guys. If it is the case, then I'll be getting unique solution. Unique solution means non-zero solution. And my system is going to be what now? Consistent. My system is going to be consistent. At least one of the d1, d2, d3 is not equal to 0. The system is going to be consistent. I'll be having non-zero solution, which means unique solution. And if all determinants are 0, d1, d2, d3 are 0, I'll be getting consistent and trivial solution, which means all 0 solution. Here I'll be getting non-zero solution. If it is a system is consistent, and I'll be getting unique as well as non-zero. Here I'll be getting 0 solution, which means trivial solution. All right. If all determinants are 0, and if determinant is 0, guys, there will be such cases. So if in that particular case, if my determinant 1, determinant 2, determinant 3 is equal to 0, guys, I'll be having consistent as well as infinite number of solutions. All right, my system is going to be consistent. I'll be having infinite number of solutions. If any one of the determinant is not equal to 0, if any one of the determinant is not equal to 0, guys, I'll be having my no solution. I'll be having no solutions and my system is going to be inconsistent. Are I samajh? So guys, you will be solving, we'll be solving the questions, then you'll be able to understand this question clearly. So don't worry about it. So are I samajh? Any one of you have doubts over here? Any doubts? Children, any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear, sir. Clear.
देखो बेटा, मैंने क्लियर कट से इससे ज्यादा कोई बाहर नहीं पूछा जाता है. बस ये आपके पास आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए. अगर ये आपके माइंड में है तो हम लोग फटाफट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर देंगे. ठीक है, चलो. हाँ
Sir, only Cramer, so we have some other two methods, sir. That is cross
yes, we
order
have
and
homogeneous
matrix
system.
inverse.
Yes, we have homogeneous system as well. Look at this. We'll solve it. I will solve. Don't worry बेटा, don't worry. टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है? मैं हूं ना. Don't worry, I'm here. All right. Don't fear, I'm here. बोलता है ना, कुछ बोलता है, don't fear, I'm here. Alright, चलो. अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे होमोजीनियस. क्या सीखेंगे? होमोजीनियस सिस्टम. गाइस, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आपको पूछा जाता है, देखो मैंने बोल रहा हूँ क्वेश्चंस में आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे विल बी आस्किंग इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस एज वेल एज यूनिक सॉल्यूशंस. इसको दोनों के बाद, दैट इज व्हाट द रीजन मैंने स्टार लगाया उधर. Alright, that is what the reason I put a star over there. So these are the very important. If your determinant is not equal to 0, guys, most of the time your system is going to be consistent and unique solutions you will be getting. If your system is not equal to 0, I mean determinant is not equal to 0. If determinant is equal to 0, most of the time your solution is going to be, your system is going to be consistent and solution is going to be what? Infinite number of solutions. So basically they'll be asking many times this one only. Alright, so much. Alright, beta. चलो नाउ विल फॉलो विद दिस. नाउ होमोजीनियस सिस्टम. होमोजीनियस सिस्टम में क्या होता है? होमोजीनियस सिस्टम का मतलब guys, now in system of linear equation, in Cramer's rule what I told you, ax is equal to b. अगर इधर क्या होता है, अगर ax is equal to अंडा होता है, ये b अंडा होना चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं होमोजीनियस सिस्टम. आ रहा है समझ? मैंने सिंपल सा तरीका बता रहा हूँ कैसे याद कर सके हम लोग. Alright guys, I am just telling you a simple words how can we remember for long time. इधर b अंडा होना चाहिए तो होता है होमोजेनियस सिस्टम. इसमें भी थोड़ा सा कंडीशन है हमारे पास, थोड़ा कंडीशन देखेंगे. व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस we need to follow here. Look at this. अगर डिटरमिनेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 बेटा, व्हाट इज द कंडीशंस आई हैव? अगर डिटरमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0, व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस आई एम गोइंग टू हैव? सी हियर, इफ डिटरमिनेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 बेटा, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट 0 0 0 0, which means I'll be getting trivial solutions. I'll be getting what? Trivial solutions. Trivial solution means what guys? Trivial solution means what? Look at this. x का मतलब क्या है? x y z ये सब क्या होना चाहिए? 0 0 0 होना चाहिए. वो होता है ट्रिवियल सॉल्यूशन. आ रहा है समझ? अगर डिटरमिनेंट 0 है तो I'll be having
Okay, sir.
I'll be having look at see, I'll be having infinite solutions. Infinite solutions, इसमें infinite solution मतलब इसमें ट्रिवियल भी हो सकता है, नॉन ट्रिवियल भी हो सकता है. Guys look at this here. इधर मुझे मिलता है ट्रिवियल एंड नॉन ट्रिवियल सॉल्यूशन. अरे यार मेरा वॉइस थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रहा होगा, मेरे पास अच्छा से क्या बोलता है, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर मेरा हेलो गाइस, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. These are, अगर डिटरमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0 है, एक इस क्या होता है, इफ एक्स वाई जेड इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू द पॉसिबिलिटी केसेस हियर. बट लुक एट दिस, most of the time they'll be asking you the question from this. Guys look at this, it will then you write then. ठीक है, so look at this, I'm explaining again here. Look at this, if determinant is equal to 0, homogeneous system में अगर B मैट्रिक्स 0 है, B मैट्रिक्स 0 है, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया guys, can you hear me? Are you here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sometimes I'm not able to see, so suddenly you guys are invisible, so that's what I keep asking you. See here, in homogeneous system guys, if determinant is not equal to 0 guys, I'll be having x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 matlab constant, I mean a variable matrix is going to be 0, which means x y z 0 0 0 0. Then I'll be having trivial solution. And most of the times in homogeneous system they'll be asking this condition, when determinant is equal to 0, what is the condition? I'll be having infinite solution. Infinite solution matlab I'll be having trivial and non trivial both. All right, okay. So and look at this guys, if my variable a coefficient of variables a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c is equal to 0, I mean determinant of this is 0, then it is possible what? It is possible then xyz is not equal to 0. Then xy is not equal to 0 guys. When determinant of coefficient of all these variables is equal to 0 guys, then xyz is not equal to 0 guys. So this is what the condition, so which we need to follow for this homogeneous system. All right, homogeneous system, in homogeneous system ax is equal to 0 होना चाहिए. अगर determinant 0 के बराबर है तो infinite solution possible है. So most of the times you will be getting asked from this only. All right, if determinant is not equal to 0 guys, I'll be getting x as 0. X is equal to means x is equal to 0 means variable matrix is equal to 0 0 0 0. Then what is, I'll be getting trivial solution. Trivial solution का मतलब सब 0 0 0 होना चाहिए. आ रहा है समझ? ये होता है हमारा what? This is not the class for your matrices and determinants. ये होता है हमारा introduction class. ये होता है हमारा क्या होता है? Introduction class. नो हम लोग देखेंगे, हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे, हम लोग अभी क्वेश्चंस उठाएंगे। क्या क्वेश्चंस, सारे से सारा क्वेश्चंस उठाएंगे। देखो अभी देखो बेटा, मैंने इधर बताया था आपको, कहाँ है वो, उसको पकड़ेंगे पकड़ेंगे पकड़ेंगे, यस, सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस। सो गाइस लुक एट दिस हियर, हमारे पास जितना भी है, जितना भी हो सके उतना क्वेश्चन हम लोग फटाफट सॉल्व कर लीजिए, सॉल्व कर लेंगे, एंड उसके बाद हम लोग स्ट्रेट अवे विल गेट इनटू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ठीक है, सो गाइस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इमीडिएटली। सो ये a इज इक्वल टू 1 2 -3 के दिया है, तो एंड दिस इज द प्रीवियस ईयर जेई क्वेश्चंस गाइस। सो वट एवर वी आर सॉल्विंग दैट इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, एनटीए क्वेश्चंस, ऑल क्वेश्चंस वी आर सॉल्विंग फ्रॉम एनटीए एंड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। देखो ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस मेक्स यू you know feel comfortable, as well as you know it helps you a lot for solving your JEE questions. Let me give options here. So option A is going to be what guys, option A is going to be 0, option B is going to be -4, option C is going to be 4, option D is going to be 1 or 4। मुझे बताइए कौन सा ऑप्शन पॉसिबल है इसके लिए। देखो गाइस K इज इक्वल टू फाइंड आउट करना है, मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी बताइए गाइस, टाइम अप, लास्ट 15 seconds, within 30 seconds you must tell me the answer, make it fast guys, let me have some water, be ready with your answer।
सर ऑप्शन डी सर, 1 और 4।
What's the answer? By time up. Look at this बेटा, इसको ये
D,
हाँ, ऑप्शन
D, D,
ऑप्शन डी रॉन्ग
D,
आंसर
option
है,
D,
ऑप्शन डी रॉन्ग आंसर है। देखो ऑप्शन डी रॉन्ग आंसर, पहले पहले हम लोग क्या कीजिए, इधर ए स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज योर ए स्क्वायर आंसर, टेल मी व्हाट इज योर ए स्क्वायर, सब्स्टिट्यूट इन दिस, व्हाट इज ए स्क्वायर, बताइए ए स्क्वायर, व्हाट यू गॉट गाइस, 4 into a, 4 into a मतलब लेट मी राइट डायरेक्ट स्टेप हियर, 4
-5
-5
Sir,
-3 -3k
-5, -3, -3K. 2 plus 2K.
okay,
-6
so
plus
4
3.
here, 4 -12 here, so 8 here, 4k here, ठीक है, तो प्लस 10 i का मतलब 10 i का मतलब इधर 10 0 0 10 इज इक्वल टू a है, ये मतलब what is a here, 1 -3 2k, we have to find k here। so for finding k guys, no need of solving this entire process, इसको सबको like you no need of solving this entire package। look at this, first हम लोग क्या कीजिए, थोड़ा सा स्मार्ट वर्क, look at this here, k, for solving k let us compare corresponding elements, this one, so -3 -k, minus into minus plus 12 and 0 is equal to -3,
Plus 0
देखो
plus 3.
माइनस कितना आया बेटा, -3k प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू -3 बेटा, सो -3k इज इक्वल टू मुझे मिला बेटा -12, सो k वैल्यू आई गॉट 4, तो k वैल्यू पॉसिबल है डी ऑप्शन एंड इन सी ऑप्शन बोथ, बट लुक एट दिस नाउ, he is given that no, option A is not possible, B is not possible, so option C, either option C or D is possible here, but D कैसा possible होगा, देखो k वैल्यू एक लेंगे हम लोग, if k value is 1, so if you substitute over here, solve this entire package here, इसको पूरा पैकेज को सॉल्व कीजिए, whether you are getting LHS side or RHS side, of course no, you won't be getting LHS equal to RHS, आ रहा है समझ guys, I'm asking you to verify, अगर k value 4 ले रहा है तो मुझे मिल रहा है, you will be getting for sure, if it is your k value as 1, Substitute here. What I'm going to get? Look at this here. Minus 5, minus 6, 4, minus 5, minus 4,
Sir, it's not
8,
good.
4 plus 10, 0, 0, 10 is equal to solve this. Are you going to get this one or not? Tell me. LHS equal RHS you won't be getting for sure. So option हमारा only possible option is C.
No, sir.
Option C is correct. आया समझ? Any doubt बेटा? कोई doubt?
Clear, sir.
Any doubt children? Hello? This was the question
sir.
that has been asked in your previous JEE. चलो
Clear, sir.
yes हम लोग अभी कीजिए बेटा हम लोग इसको कीजिए हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे अभी हाँ solve this question make it fast. Let A is equal to let A is a matrix of order 3 by 3 defined as A is equal to दिया है 3 by 3 order दिया है ठीक है whereas Aij is equal to limit of x tends to 0 1 minus cos x divided by sin x into tan x something given and where I is 1 is less than or equal to I beta j is less than or equal to 3 beta then A square is equal to what beta. Make it fast फटाफट सॉल्व कीजिए इसको and I would request you all betas don't copy this don't copy the question को copy मत कीजिए सीधा क्वेश्चन नंबर लगाइए आंसर को सॉल्व कीजिए बस that is what I'm just asking you to do. Don't copy the question guys. I'll be sharing this notes and we don't waste your time by copying the question. Don't copy. I repeat, don't copy the question. Please solve the question, solve the answer itself. Don't copy the question, please. Let me give the options. Option A is A, option B is 2 by 3A, option C is 3 by 2A, option D is 1 by 4A. Okay, so these are the options I have here. Make it fast. So guys, he has given, look at this here, Aij. Guys, first look at this here. Let me feel you guys comfortable. मुझे राघव बताइए, राघव you just tell me now how can we solve this बेटा? Feel free to talk. आपके माइंड में जो भी आंसर आता है बेटा, आपके माइंड में जो भी आइडियालॉजी आता है वो मुझे बताइए. What you gonna make? आपको क्या आइडिया क्या आ रहा है? What kind of idea? What sort of ideas you are getting here to solve this question? Tell me अभी राघव.
सर वैल्यूज पुट करके देखूंगा 1 से और
1 से करेंगे तो बेटा आई सी वो बोल रहा है 1 इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू आई बोल रहा है तो j इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3 बोल रहा है ठीक है तो अगर वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो हमारे पास कैसा होगा बेटा तो 1 माइनस cos अगर 1 इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 1 माइनस cos x होगा इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 2 1 माइनस cos 2x होगा इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 3 cos 3x होगा इफ यू सब्स्टिट्यूट 4 cos 4x होगा ऐसा कितना बार करेंगे हम लोग हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू डू अभिनव व्हाट इज योर आइडिया हियर हमारे पास ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूलाज है 1 माइनस cos x इक्वल राइट हमारे पास अभिनव व्हाट इज योर आइडिया
Sir, I also thought of substitution only, but
no need of substituting. No. Musab.
I thought substitution.
Musab.
सर लिमिट डाल के देखेंगे
हाँ लिमिट डाल के तो अच्छा you are saying that limit extends to 0. Let us substitute 0. Look at this. 1 minus cos 0 कितना होता है 1 होता है तो 0 मिल रहा है मुझे 0 कहाँ है ऑप्शन देखो
नहीं होगा
0 नहीं होगा बेटा देखो एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 करेंगे तो cos 0 1 होगा 0 बाई समथिंग 0 होगा ना मुझे 0 कैसा मिलेगा कहाँ से मिलेगा 0 ऑप्शन ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से लिखूं मैंने पॉसिबल नहीं है हाँ मुसाब
Sir, 1 minus cos.
हाँ guys look at this here 1 minus cos x formula is what as we know that 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2 ये फॉर्मूला मुझे आता है from trigonometry this formula I know that so can I write now look at this here limit extends to 0 as it is I'm writing beta so 2 sin square x by 2 I'm writing here what is my x value ix so 2 sin square ix by 2 आया समझ are you getting my point
Yes, sir.
हाँ look at this now in the denominator I have sin ix all right now you do one thing here look at this here in the denominator I have sin ix how many of you know this formula मुझे ये बताइए आप लोग how many of you learned this? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to always what क्या होता है 1 होता है.
One.
Limit x tends to 0 ये हमेशा होता है tan x by x is equal to always 1 होता है. How many of you have this formula? आता है ये formula. Now how can I make in this
Sir, yes,
position?
sir.
How can I make the given question in this position? बताइए मुझे. Can I multiply and divide with x by 2? x by 2 ix by 2 whole square. इधर square है ना, so shall I multiply and
sir.
divide with ix by 2 whole square? Can I do so? Yes or no? And whole divided by क्या था मुझे मेरे पास sin
Yes,
ix.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sin ix. Now here also I'm just shall I multiply and divide with
Sin
ix?
into tan ax.
Shall I multiply and divide with ix here?
Yes, sir.
Tan jx. Tan jx. Shall I multiply and divide with the jx?
X.
Yeah.
मैंने लिख सकता हूँ ना ऐसा. Guys, any one of you have doubts here? मुसाब वसीउद्दीन, आपको कोई डाउट है बेटा? Any doubts here? Any one of you? Any one of you gonna ask anything here? Any doubts? Any doubts? कोई
No,
डाउट?
sir.
वेरी सिंपल बेटा. देखो अगर देखो
No doubt, sir.
ध्यान से सुनिए, ध्यान से सुनिए. See guys, what I wrote here, I had only this one. 1 minus cos x formula, I wrote this one. See here, for making in terms of sin x by, listen to me carefully. Sin x by x is equal to 1. For making into the standard form, I just multiply and divide with ix by 2 whole square. अगर बेटा मुझे अभी देख लीजिए ये full package, this entire package is going to become what? And this entire package is going to become what? And this entire package is going to become what? This green color पापड़ है ना, green color पापड़. ये green color पापड़ क्या
Color
होता है? हाँ, green color. Why? Because we have limit x tends to 0. सबके पास limit x tends to 0 है. Guys, मुझे I know that. Look at this here. मैंने आपको याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ बेटा. इधर जो भी है लिमिट x tends to 0, इधर जो भी है इधर भी सेम होना चाहिए, इधर भी सेम होना चाहिए. इधर जो भी है इधर भी सेम होना चाहिए, इधर भी सेम होना चाहिए. Everywhere x supposed to be the common point. All right, everywhere x supposed to be the common one. ठीक है, चलो लुक एट दिस नाउ. हाँ, इधर मुझे अभी मैंने क्या करने वाला हूँ देखो. व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, 2 as it is I am writing, this is become 1, so I x by 2 whole square as it is I am writing. In the denominator 1 into I into j x square. Can I write this? Can I write guys in the denominator? Can I write it out? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I write? Yes. मुझे बताइए अभी. So 2 into what I'm going to get here now? I square into x square by either 2
By
2 का मतलब by 4, isn't it? 4. This 4 will be shifting here. I into j into x square. Can I write it out? X square gone. I square I gone here. So what I remain with here? 2 1s are 2 2s are. So I remain with 1 by 2j.
I
So
by 2j.
I by 2j बेटा, I by 2j. Yes. कोई डाउट इधर? कोई डाउट? हाँ, ये क्या था मुझे? ये ij था. ये ij I got this one as I by 2j. But as per his question, ये ij is what? 3 by 3 matrix. ये ij he has given 3 by 3 matrix. A is equal to, he has given that it is a 3 by 3 matrix. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, बेटा देखिए मुझे देखिए ना. So इधर क्या होना चाहिए? A11 A12.
So sir, diagonal could be 1 by 2, sir.
हाँ.
So diagonal of this matrix should be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2.
Yes, देखो A1 A31 A32 A33. हाँ, look at this. What I got now? Aij. What I got? What is my value here? मुझे क्या मिला था? 1 by 2 aj. Can I write this one as 1 by 2? Can I write like that? So देखो मैंने क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करता हूँ अभी. देखो I by j. तो what is my matrix is going to be now? Tell me. So 1 by 2 common बाहर. 1 by 2 ना. 1 by 2 मतलब 1.
1 by 2. Yes, sir.
1 by 2 इधर. 1 by 3 here. इधर 2 by 1. I by j. 2 by 2 1. 2 by 3. 3 by 1. 3 by 2. 3 by 3 1. कोई डाउट इधर? मुझे बताइए जल्दी से बताइए. He's asking for a square beta. He's asking for a square. So why you are asking for this? He's asking for a square. For making a square, we supposed to make a matrix first of all. मुझे पहले ये मैट्रिक्स तो पता होना चाहिए ये स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. Let me calculate a first. So I'm calculating a here. What is a matrix now?
Yes, sir.
A matrix is what here? 1 by 2, 1 by 6.
1 3 by 2.
हाँ.
Sir, 1 1/4 ना सर.
बेटा देखिए हम लोग इतना नहीं कीजिए, इतना मत कीजिए. देखो हाँ ए स्क्वायर मतलब 1/2 into 1/2 क्या होगा 1/4 होगा. 1/4 पॉसिबल ऑप्शन इज व्हाट, ओनली पॉसिबल ऑप्शन इज नो पॉसिबल, नॉट पॉसिबल. लुक एट दिस गाइस.
D.
देखो गलती माफ कीजिए. लुक एट दिस हियर. इफ यू आर स्ट्रेट अवे 1/4 आई गॉट सर, आई विल गिव दिस आंसर, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग सर. आप ये मुझे रॉन्ग मिल जाएगा बेटा, ये इसको मत छीजिए. wrong answer, D is not going to make it. So 1/4 square of this matrix is going to be what now? इसको square कीजिए, find out the square of that. So 1 into 1 into 1 into what you gonna make it fast.
Three by two, yeah.
3/2. Yes, 3/2 is the right answer.
3/2 A sir.
3/2
Option
is the
C.
right answer. How?
सर अपना A आ गया ना सर, फिर A स्क्वायर को फिर मल्टीप्लाई करें तो we'll get the same like A. We'll
Yes.
get the same
So what is
value
your
of
A square? What is your A square? Tell me. A square. What do you got?
Sir A square 1 by 3/4. I totally multiplied sir, like 1/4 I total took inside. पूरा लेके अंदर ले ले तो 3/8 3/8 3/12. उसके बाद फिर आया 3/2 3/4 3/6.
Yes. So from that, if you
12
take
by
3/4,
4.
yes, from that if you take 3/2 common, you will be remaining with A matrix here. ये full A by matrix, so A matrix बनेगा,
हाँ
so
सर
3/2 ये हो गया. ये final answer. So option C is correct. Any doubt children? Any doubt? So guys, if you do square, this is a square of this, square of this, square of this. If you do square of this, you will be getting what? You will be getting here. So you will be getting here 3/2, 3/3, 6, 3, 6/3, 9, 9/2, 3. This is what you are going to remain with. So if you calculate this further, so 3/4. If you take 3/2 common, so as you know, Abhinav said that. So 3/4, 3/8, 3/12, and 3/2, 3/4. So you will be getting 24. So 8 here. हाँ ऐसा मिलेगा आपको. अगर ये मिल रहा है आपको, if you are getting this one guys, if you are getting this one, so if you take 3/2 outside, you will be remaining with A matrix. So 3/2 times of A. So only possible option is C option. No need of looking at this. You take 3/2 common, only 3/2 possible option is C option. आया समझ? कोई doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay children, so guys today this is what the today's class actually guys, you know, we'll be solving many questions we'll be solving many interesting questions like this. So if you didn't understand anything, please go through the today's lecture. I'll be posting this lecture as well as I'll be sharing these notes with you all. So please go through this and we'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye, have a nice day, thank you. I have next class right now for your juniors, so I have to look it. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank